Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Snehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hello children, a warm welcome from your English teacher Mrs. Snehal Kodambe. See children, in last session we have done some activities from revision 1. Today's session we will do some activities from revision 2, that is on page number 4. What are those activities? Let's see. Activity number 1, look and say. पहा आणि म्हणा. हे बघा बाळांनो, तुमच्यासाठी मराठीमध्ये सुद्धा इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपल्या पुस्तकामध्ये दिलेले आहेत. ओके, सो यू कॅन रीड दोज इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स अँड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कॅन डू द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. नाउ लेट्स सी what to look and what to say. So there is a chart of some words which you have already learned in standard 1st and standard 2nd. So let's see those words. You can look and you can say after me, or you can say with me. Bag, bat, boy, banana, cap, cat, clock, carrot, pan, parrot, pot, potato, table, tank, tomato, top, ball, cock, pond and tiger. So these are the words on which we are going to do some activities. Okay, so let's begin with the second activity. Activity number 2. What is that activity? Find and name the following from the chart. Find and name the following from the chart. तक्त्यात पुढील गोष्टी शोधा आणि त्यांची नावे सांगा. Okay? So, in this activity, again there are 4 sub-activities. या activity मध्ये पुन्हा आपल्याला आणखीन 4 activities दिलेल्या आहेत. त्या कशा करायच्या ते आपण one by one बघूया. So, here there are some pictures of some animals, isn't it? So, when you look at these animals, you can guess it. What is the activity is? Let's see the activity. 2 animals. You have to find the name of the 2 animals from this chart. Let's once again see that chart. Now we will see those words with speed, because we have already learned those words, we have read those words, so we know what these words are. And now we will do the activity number 2. We have to find out the names of 2 animals. Now in your book there are some pictures. So by those pictures you can easily find out the names of the animals. But there on every word picture is not given. On some words pictures are given. So you have to recognize the word and then you will circle it. Okay? कसं करायचं बघा, काही चित्रांवर आपल्याला चित्र पाहून ते कळेल. काही शब्दांच्या बाजूला चित्र आहेत, ते पाहून आपल्याला कळेल की हे ॲनिमल आहे. पण सगळीकडेच काही चित्र दिलेली नाही आहेत. मग काय करायचं, तर हे शब्द आपण ऑलरेडी शिकलेलो आहोत. ते आपण बघायचे आणि आपण त्याच्यातून योग्य ते नाव ओळखायचं आणि लिहायचं नाही, आपल्याला त्याला सर्कल करायचंय. लेट्स सी हाऊ टू डू दॅट. सी, there is a picture of cat, so you can easily circle this. But there one more animal is there in this chart, so let's find out the second animal. 1, 2, 3, and here it is, tiger. Okay, got it? कळलं कसं करायचंय? Let's see the next activity. 3 things you play with. So here some games names are hidden. काही अशा गोष्टी आहेत की ज्यांच्याबरोबर तुम्ही खेळता. Let's find out those things. So now we have to find out the 3 things with which we play. So let's see the chart once again. We will be a bit speedy now. Bat, boy, banana, cap, cat, clock, carrot, pan, parrot, pot, potato, table, tank, tomato, top, ball, cock, pond, and tiger. Now what we are supposed to find out? The 3 things with which you play. So let's begin with the first row. It is there. Yes, it's there, a bat. In second row, no, it's not there. In third row, no. In fourth row, yes, it's there, top. Do you know what is top? You have already learned this word in standard first and second. But still, I'll show you the picture of the top. See, you can see there. So that is a top. And now the third name. Oh, we got it. The first word from the fourth row, and that is the ball. So in this way, now we have found out the 3 things with you play. Okay. Oh, the picture of birds. आता तुम्हाला कळलं असेल आपल्याला काय शोधायचंय? The names of 2 birds from this chart. So let's see chart once again. Bag, bat, boy, banana, cap, cat, clock, carrot, pan, parrot, pot, potato, table, tank, tomato, top, ball, cock, pond, and tiger. आता आपल्याला काय शोधायचंय? 2 birds. Okay? So, there is a picture of 1 bird. So, you can easily circle that. Parrot. Because parrot's picture is given you in the book. Now, the easy thing, only 1 bird's names you have to find out. And that is a cock. Okay, you can circle with me. So, we will go to the next activity. We have found out the names of animals, the things which we play with, the names of birds, and what is the next thing? Very interesting. See here, look at the picture. The children are ready with the spoon and fork to eat something, right? So, the activity is 4 things we eat. Throughout the day, we eat so many things. Bread, butter, biscuits, and so many things. We eat food. So, here we have to find out the 4 things which we eat, and the words are hidden in this chart. या चार्ट मधले असे 4 शब्द शोधायचे की त्या गोष्टी आपण खातो. ओके, लेट्स सी चार्ट वन्स अगेन. So we will read once again the chart. Bag, bat, boy, banana, cap, cat, clock, carrot, pan, parrot, pot, potato, table, tank, tomato, top, ball, cock, pond, and tiger. So now we have to find out the 4 things we eat. So let's find out one by one. So start with the first row. Yes, it is there. We will circle it. Banana. See in the second row. Yes, it is there. Just under the banana. Carrot. Third row, third row, third row. Yes, it's there. Potato. And now we will move to the fourth row. Table, tank. Oh, tomato. So we have found out all the 4 things which we eat. So in this way, we have done the activities which were given in the book. Now there is one more activity which I will show you, which you can do, which you can find out the words from this. What is that activity? 2 things from our kitchen. So we have to find out the name of 2 things which are there in this chart. Those things we find out in our kitchen. Let's see the chart once again. We will do it fast because we have read it for many times and now we know the words. We are friendly with those words. So what we are supposed to find out? The 2 things which we find in our kitchen. So in first row, no, it's not there. In second row, it's not there. In third row, yes, it is there. Pan, and one more thing, pot. So in this way, we can go on adding the things. You can play games with your friends or with your family members. You can ask them to find out such things from these word charts. Have you enjoyed this activity? I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. आणि अशा प्रकारे अजून 2 ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ह्या चार्ट्सवर आधारित आपल्या पुस्तकामध्ये आहेत आणि मला आता पक्की खात्री आहे की ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी केल्यानंतर त्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी तुम्ही सहज करू शकाल. सो ट्राय दोज ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू यू.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.